Okay, right back with you. I showed you how we started out repairing these, and it's not even repairing the rust quarter panels, but this is, as you said in the previous video, this stuff was so rusted out, and I didn't say this in the first video, but even when I just tapped on it with the hammer, it crumbled like a cookie. But I said that in the first video. What I didn't say was that even the Bondo that was in there fell out. So there was no way, there's nothing I could do with this. But as you could see, and I'll flash what it looked like before right now, but as you could see, this turned out reasonably well. Again, it's not a perfect solution, but it is a solution. Now what we're going to do here, as I said, I'm going to match these up again, and I'm going to paint white down the line to line these two things up. But I'm also going to repaint these all the same flat black color so they look good. And I'm not worried about the low hanging here. But as we move down, you can see the rivets, and you can use 532 or 316, whatever that is, for your rivets. But the rivets are going to be painted as well, so they just kind of blend in seamlessly with the flat black there. And as you can see, you don't see any of that necessarily rust. Now I got some other patching work to do as well, but we also did the back. We got to repaint that certainly as well, and you just can't even see it. We ground down as much as that rust as I could. Obviously we couldn't get all of it, but I got enough. Now we're going to go down the other side. The other side didn't turn out as well as I would have liked it to. For example, here, same size quarter panel but different damage, so I'm gonna have to put some filler in here and do some more grinding to blend that all in together, right? But it's going to be glorious. And then as you go down, you can see with the two doors on this side, that part did not turn out as well as I would like it. Again, I'm going to have to build some filler around it and do some things, but you can see the rivets went really well through this. And again, we're going to take the same process as I did on the other side to repair these quarter panels, this rust and these things. So we're going to paint it again, just like the other side, flat black all the way back. And again, I'm going to paint that slim thing white up there so it lines up. And when we talk about that, you got to make sure, if you use the method with the sheet metal and rivets here, make sure that your doors open, obviously enclosed properly. Just got some seal issues here, but they ain't gonna do with the work I did, but we're going to work on that as well. So as you can see, it turned out this was an extreme solution. I can't weld, there was no way to Bondo, it was just too far gone. So the next thing that I'm going to shoot a video on is I ground this down as well, and this is the front bumper, and I got two choices here. I could let it look like a sore. You can see all the rust on there, but that's the extreme thing, because no matter how hard I ground it down, rust is rust. So I'm going to put some Bondo on there, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use Flex Seal all across this whole bumper to see what that's going to, I think it's going to be glorious, but at this point, with all this rust on this van, I don't have a choice. Or, I could get a new bumper, I guess, but I'm going to try this solution first. So, especially with the quarter panels, I hope that helps. Rivets and 6x18 sheet metal that you can get from Home Depot or anywhere. All you have to do is spray it, put some primer on it, black or white primer, whatever primer on there, and then paint it flat back. Get you a little ribbon that you saw in the last video, handheld rivet, drill those holes, and you are in there. So I hope this helps for us amateurs who don't have a lot of skills with welding.